are a number of other features to explore in the lesson library. You can create content from within the library using some of the same tools that you'll find in Smart Notebook. Design an activity or assessment and save it in the library with your lessons. Just choose what you want to build and the wizard will walk you through setting it up. I'll close this for now so we can explore the rest of the library. Over here you can sort the lessons by date or name. And you can also switch the view to list or tile. As the library fills up, use the search tool to find files quickly without having to scroll. To delete a file, select it, click the garbage can, and then select Delete to confirm. If you want to change the class name that appears at the top of the screen, or add a banner, that's over here. And up here, you can click the profile icon to sign out. You can also download Smart Notebook or Smart Amp, both of which are included in your Smart Learning Suite subscription. Plus, you can visit the online help, where you'll find detailed instructions on using the lesson library and delivering lessons. You can check out the Quick Start Guide for a simpler overview, or request a new feature.